Categories are basically folders that hold your assignments. You cannot create any assignments until you have at least one category to place your assignment in. To create a category, first, you want to be sure you are in your class in which you want to place your first category. In this case, we will place our categories in Social Studies. You will navigate to Instruction and Assignments. Within Instruction and Assignments, we'll then navigate to Edit Categories. Once you are in Edit Categories, if you have any categories already created, you will see them here. As you can see, we've already got a category called Homework and a category called Test Quizzes. In this example, we'll create a third category and call it Class Projects. So next, we'll click on Create Category. We'll give our category a name. I'll call it Class Projects. If you wish to weight your categories, for example, you might say Tests and Quizzes is 20% of the grade, Homework is 30% of the grade, and so forth, you would need to not only put in the weight here and whole numbers, but also when you set up your Edit Grade Calculation options, you would check the box to indicate you're using weighting. We won't use weighting here, so we'll leave it at 0. You'll want to leave the sequence at 1 unless you want to organize your folders in any order other than an ascending order. Another option you may choose to use is Drop Lowest Score. If you have a bunch of assignments in this folder and you want to drop the lowest score by percent, so not by the number, but rather by the percent. An 80% of 10-point assignment would be 8 out of 10 points. 80% of a 100-point assignment would be 80 out of 100. It sees those as equal and it will drop the lowest score by percent. We won't choose those options. Next, we'll move down and select the section we want to apply it to, which is Social Studies. If your school departmentalizes, you may see multiple sections here. Next, we'll come down and select the first item, which is Social Studies. If you were in Math, you would select Math. If you were in Science, you would select Science. And if you were in Reading, you would select Reading and Writing. The very last step is to click Save Category. If you wanted to, though, you could click Save and Add Assignment and save the category and go ahead and put an assignment in there. Here, we'll click Save Category. It tells you it takes several minutes. Usually it takes less than 10 seconds. You click OK. Once it's finished processing, it will give you a notification box letting you know your request is being processed. Next, if you click back to Categories, you'll see all of your categories. Here, if you wanted to edit an existing category, you would click on the blue link of the name of the category and you would be able to edit the category. If you wanted to create a new category, you would click Create Category, or you can click on Assignment List to return to your assignment list. Thank you for listening to the tutorial on creating folders, or what Campus calls categories. Please click the Close button in the upper right to exit this video and return to class.